What is the name of the American university that you will be attending? Tell about your university name. What is the purpose of you coming here, USA? Or why do you want to travel to the USA? You must state the reason for your visit, whether it is for tourism, business, attending an event, wedding or visiting family and friends. Make sure you do not get into a long story. Tell me about your family background. Tell about your family, father's business. Keep your response simple. Where did you finish graduate studies? State the name and the location of the university or college where you completed your studies. Can you show your bank statement? Make sure to not show any hesitation when providing the document of your bank statement to the official. Do you plan to pursue master's or doctoral studies after you finish bachelor's? Express your concern regarding the current bachelor studies, but mention that there might exist the possibility for you to consider this opportunity in the long-term future. How did you choose this university or college? Indicate your interest in the specific study field that the chosen university offers. Do some research about the university and talk about distinguishing potentials that the institution has compared to other alike institutions. In case you have a scholarship to study in this university, prove it with the letter of scholarship. Generally, try to highlight the fact that you were attracted to study there because it fulfills your educational expectations. Have you visited the US before? Answer yes if you have and no if you haven't. Provide the details only if asked. Do you have any relatives in US? Yes, no. How long you will stay in the US? Carefully study your itinerary and base your response from there. Or if you are an employee, check your leaves credits and talk to your human resources representative on your permitted leave. If you can bring a form or a letter during your interview that indicates your allowed leaves, that can help as well. Tell me, what is the purpose of your visit? Being confident when explaining the purpose of your visit is important. Give details to the official why you want to make the visit by offering also the supporting documents evidencing the purpose of it, i.e. sightseeing France's tourist areas, professional training, therapy appointment, studies, or other. Tell me, how do you hear about this university? You might explain honestly the way you heard about the university, such as from the internet, friend, family, local informative agencies, or other forms. Tell me, what are your plans after your return? In case you are applying for a student visa, tell that you will be likely to apply for a job related to your gained education abroad. In case you are seeking to pursue further studies, then the answer must be truthful. Also, in case you are expecting to get professional training or jump up in a startup company, you will state that similarly. Tell me your university yearly cost. Take the needed time to calculate early enough yearly study and living costs during your stay in the Schengen area for study purposes. Any misinformed information might seem suspicious to the official. Tell me, what will you do if your visa will be rejected? The official wants to hear you have things to do in your country. Tell him/her you have commitments you should take care of by mentioning your important engagements and relations. Who will pay for your visit? This is another important issue. Give your best frank answer. The diplomatic office analyzes your financial statements or sponsors anyways, and any misled information will prove them you are not a worthy candidate to be given a visa. What is your source of income? Share your monthly salary figure. Also mention if you are self-employed, employed, unemployed, etc. Where are you going to stay? Make sure to mention the place where you will be accommodated during this time, instead of giving detailed information about all the places you will visit. Do you have any properties in India? Say yes, if you have properties in your name and carry the papers as evidence. If not, carry your parents' property papers as a support if any. Are you married? Do you have children? Reply according to your present marital status and children. Do you pay income tax? Yes, is the answer the official wants to hear from you. Additionally, you might provide an evidence for that. So, show you are a responsible citizen who pays its taxes. Do you have a covered health insurance for this journey? Provide the evidence of the covered health insurance. What are your plans after the visa expires? Depending on the situation, you may need to reassure your ties to India to show clear intentions of coming back after the travel plan ends. Other important questions usually asked. Did you do TOEFL, GRE, IELTS? What are the scores? Tell me something about America or USA. What do you know about the USA education system? What institutions did you apply to? How many universities did you apply for? Why did you select these universities? Tell me more about the university you selected. What do you want to study in the USA? Not in India. Why are you leaving your current job? If you are working, what is your field of study? Why did you choose USA but not Canada, UK, Australia or Germany? Have you received any loans? Did you receive any scholarship? Your passbook shows that a large amount of money has recently been deposited. How do you explain that? Why do you think you need to go to USA to do this field? There are many courses and programs in your country. Why do you need to go the U.S.? What are you planning to do after graduation? Are you planning to work during your 4-year period? Important documents for US visa interview. Bring the following documents to your visa interview. Your passport. Your photography and birth certificate. Original I-0 letter. All academic documents, grade 10 to latest. Completed application. Your complete TOEFL IELTS score reports. GRE is you are a graduate student, and if you have done GRE, educational documents. Bank statements, bank balance certificate and transaction, 6 months preferred. Your sponsorship letter from sponsor. Other documents to show strong ties to your home country, property in your name, parents' information, income tax documents. Work experience if you have. CA report. Police report. Fee receipt, savings fee receipt. Students with work experience. Employment letter. Your salary slips. Letter of recommendation. Income tax returns papers. Original documents showing work accomplished. Requirements for USA work visas. Depending on the US work visa type you apply for, you might have to submit some of the following documents. Proof you meet the qualifications, diplomas and any certifications. Proof of professional any degree, bachelor, master, doctorate. Job offers by a US employer. Your resume or CV. Letter from previous employers. State license, if applicable. Proof that you have extraordinary abilities. Additional fees, etc.